Hello, my name is Jared. Welcome to this Elementor course. I'm your instructor. I'm gonna teach you how you create a modern website step by step. If you follow those steps, you will get definitely the same result or better. So okay, this is what we are going to create in this course. And the best is, you don't need any coding experience or any experience required for this course. So okay, I hope I will show you the next website. That is the portfolio website that we are going to create. You can use your own images, but I will put those images in the resources so you can use the same images like me. I will show you how you create a modern slider like this. It slides when you hover with the mouse. It slides. So okay, I hope you will enroll this course, and I hope I will see you soon. Thanks.